Yes, Facebook. I wasn't gonna say anything throughout all that is going on, but someone sent me a post that Trishana Bling posts on Facebook about me. But now I decided to go live and speak my mind. Okay, I know Trishana Bling. We have been friends for a short period of time. Well, anyone here on Facebook have ever heard me speak bad of her before this argument that's been going on can just adjust it right now. Honestly, I am very soft and I'm easy to cry. I didn't really want to go live and speak because tears gonna fall in my eyes. Anyways, Trishana Bling, she speak bad of everybody. Everyone. I have never one day tell anyone what she said about them. I'm really trying to be strong to talk, because honestly I have to let social media know the type of person she is. She have a friend by the name of Imani. She said Imani a whore. She said Imani take too much money for her little age. She talk about clothes that she give April Rudy. She talk about clothes that she give Brownie Lavish baby. She talk about things that she give Desia Fifi her baby. And how Desia Morgan suck out. She talk about Janice a whore. She talk about Janice have much man. She talk things, oh my God, and I always keep it inside of me. I pretend like I don't know. I wasn't going to say anything, but based on the post that she posts on Facebook now, I'm coming live to let people know the type of person Trishana Bling is. She gave me the dress and I wear it. Trishana know that the black and white dress is Dacia gave it to me. I tell her that Dacia gave me in the black and white dress. I don't know how she go about scandalizing me, but she do it. Trishana Bling speak bad of everybody. This girl by the name of Sherian, me and I don't talk. Which me tell her why we don't talk. During the argument, she wanted me to post a picture of Sherian saying Sherian wear April Rudy clothes. She wanted me to post Sherian on Facebook saying bad stuff about her, and I decided not to post her because Sherian didn't do anything different, and we have an argument and we don't speak, and that's for a while now. Trishana Bling is evil and she is wicked. Because only a heartless person could do this. Me there Trishana home. Me treat her daughter like mine. Love her up because me love Trinity bad. Honestly, me love Trinity. And me there by her and me never know say I saw the girl hate me. Like seriously, hate me and have me up for no form of reason. Me don't know. Me never speak bad of Trishana until now, since Trishana start the things. You understand what I say? The only reason why my son never end up getting anything, she says she never knows me have. She never knows me have she never know me have a son. And me always oppose my son. Honestly to God, me never speak bad of that girl yet until now, since she gone post things about me on Facebook. Honestly, Trishana, everything what you do, alright, them post things about her, me not even comment on it or look on it because me not in the drama thing on Facebook. She posts one long line of bad things about me. But honestly, me only gonna speak and make people then know. You chat everybody, Tasha. You chat everybody. You chat everybody. Trishana Bling, you chat everybody. So all who are run and I jump and I laugh with you, I hope they know so you chat them too.
If a girl used to their own name Tony and you chat her to I say Tony and a whore, Tony and have too much man and Tony and a suck cock and Tony and you can't bother Tony and a kiss a pitney, that's what make Tony and a their yard. I hope you remember all of them something the way you talk. All you talk about this year, I love this and my friend, me never one day tell this year. And now since you carry my name and I try to corrupt this against me, me tell this year. Me keep everything in me because me I know a drama type. Me never did ever come live. As somebody send me what you put up on Facebook, me block you. Me tell me I come live. You see, all of what you post on Facebook, people always screenshot them and I send them to me, tell them, say, I don't want to see anything, I don't want anybody to send me anything. But eventually, this one catch me because the person copy and paste it and send it to me. I'm ready, and me say, you know what, I'm coming live. You tell Janice, you tell Daisy things about me. You know how long me and Janice and Daisy are friends, and me never go through all of them and something here with them. We might have a difference, yes, I don't agree with things, but that's it. I will brush yourself off and we are friends again. You come and you scandalize me and you talk things. How can you give somebody something and then you're going to scandalize and talk about it? That's not nice, Trisha. You need to change your lifestyle. Eh? You can't give somebody some, all if you're the person don't talk and you're going to scandalize them. You're a wicked girl and the media will see all of our run behind you and jump and a laugh. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Hey, all me know say, Trishana Bling, you go feel it. You go feel it. Because you're a wicked girl. You're a wicked girl. You're a wicked girl. Trust me. All of this what you do. All of this what you do. You go feel it. You're wicked. You chat everybody. How can you give people things and then you sit down and you chat over it? Eh? How can you give people things and then you go sit and talk over it? There's no way you can give people things and then you sit down and chat over it. Number one, I get April Rudy things, me not even know that. You give Johnny's things, Pin Pitney, me never know that. You give this things in Pitney, me never know that. Me never know not, me never know all of them listen there. But as me say, at the end of the day, you go feel it. And Emmanuel laugh up with you and go on. You see him night one time she come and she tell us me down there in a car I talk about you. Me come in there and tell me and me tell her say I know me and her come up on the step. I like she tell her me and her come up on the step. And anything when me talk down there behind your back, me can say it in front of your face. And whatever happen, stay away there, because me not even would bring up it. I swear. But all me know say, you go feel it. Because me around there, incident happen, and me still no mention it, and me still not mention it because me not stay like you. Only thing me want, everybody will run back and you know say you chat them. Because I see him like I say Imani a whore. You say Imani a whore. And certain people, me not go get involved because they not do me nothing or me not hear them say nothing. But if they say nothing, me just push it out on social media. You get what me I say? But you with it, you chat everybody. You chat everybody. You say money a whore. Remember say you say money a whore. And who money ride. Remember, you have to remember. So people, when you see people are comment about baby and babes and hun, they don't mean shit. They don't mean shit. They don't mean nothing. You know mean nothing. Them are wicked. And me don't talk. Me don't talk. And me just leave. Just make her know how she stay. I don't know if I hype she look after me or what. But she come for media. She talk. She scandalize me and she do what she do. But me just make her know. And she spread her bed hard. She'll down in it hard. Because no matter what, and me will come from Kingston. Enough time me there me yard a she. China na come, you na come round China na come. You na come round ya. Eh? You na come round ya. Renisha, ya whore. At that end shot. Even the same day when you must never get no money from your man.
Yeah.
And say you're a whore when you come. She say you come there with too much icky pa neck. And you not have nothing. For sure you not no money. And you could have like set it out tight. Me didn't hear them chat. Chishana bring chat you. Yes, you Renisha. Chishana bring chat you. Say you come there with too much icky pa your neck. And you not have no, you not have no money. You not have no money and you have how much money you fuck. She tell the girl around there say you fuck her man. Yes. She go tell the girl say you fuck her man. But true everybody have to suck up to her. Me not suck up to her. Me not suck up to no girl. Cause she no more than me and she no better than me. Me have my own business and me build my house upon the finishing. Me not suck up to no girl. And yes, Renisha, she say you fuck how much man. Hope you know that. And Imani, she say you fuck our man brother. One of our man brother and you come and you want your fucking next brother too. Me not know no business and where she chat. So all I know we are run behind her. We should know all the best with her. She shana bring her wicked and she are evil. And she go get fucked. That's all me have to make her know how she steer. She are wicked. So all I want run in and I comment and see this and I pick up for her. Continue pick up for her because me see she post a bag of things. I mean I hear nobody has say nothing. But as soon as people start to say she's a good person and start to think you see people are running on my inbox and I say then here say I may build fake page. Haha funny. Me not have no fake page. At 2 page me have Esther Chin and Chinunt. Me not have no fake page. Alright, see, me no build fake page, me come live for her. Build fake page for what? A live me come for her. Live. About fake page. Watch out about me build fake page. Me no know nothing. When the person texts me about it, me say I know nothing about it and that's not my business. And me see it and me not even comment on it. Me not even comment on it because me no in a foolishness. Me no in a foolishness. Oh, me don't talk. But uno stupid. At least me be this me are the one what God put in the way for me feel uno see say she ain't a good person. And me I want God use. God use me for uno see say Tasha is not a good person. She tryna bring whatever she want name. She come enough time and she call me down. From left Tasha yard, Tasha start text me and I cuss me a heap of things. I still not say nothing about it. Me take my cussing and me relax. Me get to find out say she do it. A she make the picture them get that how me get to find out. Me still not say nothing. Me hold me own same way. But only hope whatever she benefit from what she do. Only hope it lasts. Only hope it lasts.